Hey guys, this is for people who don't know how to use Ibis Paint X, for like their art and stuff. Um, like they just don't know how to do digital art and they want to put their traditional artwork on Ibis Paint. So this is how to do that. You go to this frame right here, you press that, and it'll bring up this box here. And this right here is going to be the first box you're going to have the picture in. So whichever picture you want, you go ahead and you choose whichever one. Like, just go with the hair one. And it pops up right here. You can do that or press this and it changes like the rotation, stuff like that. So you choose whichever hair you want. We're going to go with this one. And then you press a little check mark, of course. And it doesn't matter. That doesn't matter. You press cancel or OK, it doesn't matter. See, it goes above that one. And here's what you're going to do. You're going to take this, you're going to drag it down, and then you're going to go to this one. Because if you just draw over this one, as soon as you delete it, it's going to delete all your work. So you go here, and you press this thing right here to make it go back down. And so you press the brush, which is over here, choose whichever one. To get these, you just have to watch like a few second ad, and it'll give you free for like 18 hours, whichever one you choose. So this doesn't matter. It's whatever. So you go ahead and you just start drawing over the line. I'm not going to try and make this perfect because this is just a how-to on how to draw the thing. So you just go ahead and you just do that. And you go ahead and you just do all of this here. Like I said, I'm not trying to make this perfect. And then once you're done, you go back to here and you go to the first one and you delete it. And there you go. Not really all that hard. Alright, I hope this helps for all you traditional artists who want to learn how to do digital art. Maybe I'll do more of these. I'm not entirely sure, but there are people who are actually better at this than I am. But if you still want to see me help you with these things, I'll be more than happy to help. Alright, bye.